at the first introduction to Secret Place. We're going to break it up into several sections and several videos obviously as well. So please make sure you've got the PDF with you or a printout of the notes. And let's walk it through slowly but surely so we're ready for the arpeggiated, which is getting gradually closer. We're starting at fret number 5 on the 3rd string. Should sound like this. And you're going to do a hammer on to the 6th. So I'll pick him and a hammer on with the middle finger. Notice fingers are numbered nice and clear. So your first 2 numbers go onto the 2nd string, 5, 7, onto the 5, so. And then you need to slide all the way up to fret number 10 over here. Now you don't have to slide from fret 7, it's more the effect of the slide. So you don't really want to hear this note. You don't want that, you want to hear the effect of the slide. So your first phrase, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, nice long start like that. Listen for the drums as well, obviously on the backtrack, you can hear it quite nicely then. Now the second part goes slow motion. Okay, now that's starting at fret number 10 on the 2nd string, 10th fret, and you're going to do from there onto the 1st string with a hammer on, 8 and 9, and back to the 10. Staying on that string, fret number 8, middle finger kicks in for number 9, first finger takes over for number 7, and then you have to jump back to 5 to do a little hammer on from 5 to 6, and then onto 7 on the 4th string. Then there's a rest, because you can see the rest sign on the tab, and you finish off, watch the ring finger jump from the 4th to the 5th string, like that, small movements, and you end on the 5. And you want to wiggle the string like that. That little wiggle is called a vibrato. Okay, so here we're going to have the second phrase, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And if you join the first and second part together, we're going to have this. And then onto the 3rd line, starts with the same. So it's repetition. And then we're going to go on to the last bar of that, which is going to go start at fret number 6 now. And it's going to go hammer on, 5, 7, and then you'll see a tiny 7, and it says BU for bend up. BU means bend up from number 7 to number 8, like that. So want to get that pitch there. And after that, back to the 5, to the 7, to the 5, and then on the next line is that, which we sometimes forget about because it's sort of on the next line and hiding out of sight. So that phrase should sound like this. And it finishes off with a vibrato again. Okay, so what I want you to do now is to get everything together. So you want to hear something like this. 2 and 3. And the next phrase will be in the next video. So it's small sections, small little pieces. You can learn it step by step. If there's any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I really want us to get at least a gold plus on a bad day, and the cum laudes are hopefully solid on the table as well. Okay, got questions? Ask.